All right, just a really quick update on what we've been working on in the workshop. Obviously, the blue extend cab pickup, we've been doing all the little bits and pieces. At the end of the video, we'll do like a walk around. You can see it pretty much all together. Interior trim's probably the next job. The Buick, same thing. Basically, we took that up and got a wheel alignment done and just said, look, just tell us what's wrong, if the front end needs anything. Turns out the lower ball joints had a bit of play in them. It's a 1 year only, so we had to pull them apart. You cannot buy new ones for 57 Buicks. You have to have them rebuilt. We didn't really want to send them to the States, but there's a local place that did them. So Brico Engineering over in Welshpool did those for us. Certainly worked out really good and a lot better and a lot safer than us sort of having to pack them up, send them to the States, hoping they don't get lost and then coming back. Was going to cost us $1,200 or $1,300 to do it that way. This was like $400 in 4 days. The 32 Brookville body, what we've been doing is Craig's pulled out all the wood around the door structure because, well, in Australia, for legality, they prefer to see it steel boxed in. So he's going to make a boxing section. We have to run bracing around behind the back window and that sort of thing to allow for seatbelt points. So he started doing that, pulled it all apart, and now starting to work out the bits and pieces for that. Now, the main thing that we're going to put up is we head to the US tomorrow night for one of our AC Promotions guided tours. So we'll be in Los Angeles. Yes, I know it looks sketchy as hell at the moment, but we don't go anywhere near downtown unless the guy's really going to get shot by a rubber bullet. Most likely we'll just avoid that and stick to the areas we normally go in Orange County and out to Pomona. We're there for the LA Roadster Show and swap meet. So the first day will be a whole bunch of open houses finishing at SoCal Speed Shop. Friday is the swap meet side of LA Roadster Show, and then Saturday is the main car show side of it. Then we'll do a whole bunch of stuff around LA, all the usual things, local car shows, museums, all sorts of a bit of tourist stuff as well, and that sort of thing. And then the following weekend is Pomona Swap Meet. So that's obviously a really big swap meet, but there's also a huge corral, cars for sale area, and a car show. So that'll be a huge video. I may even end up splitting that into, say, like the stuff for sale and the car show separately. But lots of good content coming up. So keep an eye, like, subscribe, hit notifications. Enjoy the little video on the blue one. And next time we see you, we'll be on the other side of the world. Well, it's a nice day today, so I thought, you know what? I'll run Don and Rose's pickup outside, sort of have a look. This is the most complete we've had the car. Obviously, you can see we've put mirrors on, headlights are on, all that sort of stuff. I don't think we've put a video up since we put all those bits and pieces on. Obviously, very complete looking now. So the next thing we'll do is probably look at getting the interior done. Let's just have a look inside. Seats are in, gauges, all that sort of stuff, overhead consoles all in. So getting there, looking pretty good. By the time we get back from the US, we'll be ready to trim.